Good morning, everyone. It is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. And this is just an update or a reminder of my auction today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Keep that in mind. We got all sorts of lusciousness to auction away today. I'll be showing you pictures of more artwork. I'll tell you about my whip that's about to start. And we're just going to have fun today. We are celebrating my first Podversary. Yay! And that's exactly what that means in sign language. Me and my light are having issues. I keep hitting it with my arm. But yeah, we're going to have lots of fun. Just an update of the rules. They are posted in the post. And very simple. 18 years of age. United States mailing address. Once I give you the shipping costs will be included in the price. Once I give you the opening bid, I will start the timer on my phone for 5 minutes. At the end of 5 minutes, or when the alarm goes off, I will type the word stop. Any bids that come in after the word stop will not be accepted. So the last one that comes in before the word stop excuse me, will be the winner of that auctioned merchandise. You'll have 1 week. You'll have until midnight of the 3rd to submit your funds. And from that point, I will be sending it off to you if the weather permits. I can't do rain. Excuse me, I can't do rain on my scooter. But anytime after that or before that, I will be getting your packages out to you immediately. I'm excited, y'all. I think I had like 2 hours of sleep. And when I woke up, I was like, today is today. Today is today. So just a sneak preview. We are going back with the blanket here. There is something else under there. We got more market bags. We got another basket. So we got some things, y'all. We got some things to get rid of. So I will meet you back here at 2 o'clock p.m. Excuse me. It's the camera, trust me. But I'll meet you back here at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. And we can get this party started. So you got plenty of time to go grab your whips, go grab your sips, get the chitter chatter in order, be prepared to look at some artwork. We're just going to have fun. Conversation, the whole gamut. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to be bold, be brave, be of love, and behave. I'll see you soon, guys. Peace.